Hello, welcome to our order flow stream here on Thursday, the 13th of November. Hello, everyone here on YouTube and in Discord. Also, Steven is there. Hi, Steven. Rezo is coming, yeah. So let's start slowly. For anyone who is on YouTube and who doesn't know me yet, I started trading 30 years ago at the age of 13. I set up my first investment firm at 17 in Frankfurt, Germany, and with two partners together, they actually taught me the investment business. Then I sold my shares in that company and I moved to China in 2004, where I set up a second investment firm with a Chinese partner together, and I managed over 150 million US dollar. And if you are, well, if you have a big business or bigger business in China, sooner or later you get trouble with the Chinese government. And then I was arrested in May 2011 for outsmarting the Chinese finance system. And I spent the next 7 years and 7 months in Chinese detention center and prison. I was released in December 2018, and yeah, I wrote a book. It became a best-selling book in Germany, and right now I'm running 2 trading communities focusing on prop firm trading in German and English. If you want to learn more about this, I will also post the link here later in our LIT Academy. I will give you an overview about my way of trading. So now the official part. All Bookmap limited materials, information and presentations are for educational purposes only and should not be considered specific investment advice nor recommendations. Trading futures, equities and digital currencies involves a substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. So then let's have a look here at the market situation. And we are starting with our daily routine. Hi T, nice to see you here and on YouTube also. Yeah, the first thing that I'm going to do is to check the news situation for today's trading day, because I do not want to have any orders in the market when there are major news releases. Calendar. I'm using Trading Economics, or you can use any other website that you like. Just for me, it's simple, clean, easy to find, and we can already see here on Thursday, no major news releases. We have a Fed speech again. Yesterday there were also a lot of Fed speeches, but nothing to be concerned of. Then we are going to adjust the VWAPs here in Bookmap. Multi-account trading is activated. VWAP for today. London VWAP. And today is the 13th. So done. Oh, we can already see some nice trades here at day VWAP during the pre-session. Unfortunately, I'm not trading the pre-session. Yesterday was also a very good trading day. 2 trades, one during our live day trading session and one during the German Bookmap live stream on my funded accounts. So is there any liquidity peaks here? Liquidity at 8:30. Well, not much here. Then we are going to check the settlement price. ES 71.5. We already have this in our cloud notes here. 71.5. Oh, this one is not updated here. Probably will be updated soon. At 71.5 here on TradingView. It was 71.5, yeah. Oh. 6871.5. Oh. Or is there something wrong here? We have the settlement price here at 6875.75 and on the website. Somehow, somewhere. This is Tuesday. I have to go to Wednesday. Okay, yeah, there was still no settlement price here. Yes, I can see that. It's not some error here. And rely on this price is 75.75. We saw market really touched this level nicely. Also, next thing going to check is the volatility index. We are around 18. That's normal. There's no need to pay any attention to my stop loss or order size. Everything okay. Now let's have a look at the bigger picture. Adjusting the day VWAP. And London VWAP. So we have the VWAPs here from the lows. There's a support zone here, especially at 27.30, and we can see that in this area there's also liquidity in Bookmap. We are testing this VWAP. It will be interesting. Is this correction strong enough to get new all-time highs, or are we basically trading here continuously in this range? If we break below this VWAP, yeah, then I think we will see quickly lower prices. So is there any chance for a pre-opening trade? I mean 8:30, this is the point of control, and the VWAP is this area here, and the settlement price from Friday. They are very strong. It's an interesting area. Otherwise, we are still 20 minutes. Short trade at London VWAP. Yeah, this one here, I think this might be, just edit this VWAP. This is an opportunity here to take this trade, but right now I think, yeah, we want to see this level here. Yeah, I'm staying away here right now from the markets. I'm not going to place any trade. So if you have any questions, feel free, ask them here in Discord or YouTube. Slippages, Rezo. Yeah, well, I just turned on the computer. But according to the volatility index, should be okay. Yeah, let's see. So there will be a webinar also on the 1st of December. You can bookmark this book. Well, put this into your calendar about yeah, my VWAP trading course. This will be a pro webinar series here on Bookmap, and the my course will also be launched during the next couple of days on here in the Learning Center section from Bookmap. Yeah, quiet here right now. No, this is not the NQ, that's the ES here, S&P future. Waiting for Apex. Yeah, well, right now Bullinox has 75% off. So we're coming closer here to this VWAP. But I'm not going to take this trade here. I would wait for London VWAP or day VWAP. Yeah, Rizu, to do one trade a day is a little bit boring. Yeah, well, trading is actually quite boring. Yeah, if you find it, or if you have a feeling of excitement, then most likely you're doing something wrong and you're using the wrong risk management. Trading is actually really boring. Just doing the same thing every day and waiting, waiting, waiting. Yeah. But it pays well. Yeah? At least that's the advantage. Yeah, and if you're interested in learning my trading approach, I can give you here the link to our academy. We have daily new lessons about my trading, the classroom sections. We have many, yeah, trading ideas, explanations about how I understand markets. Also, we have a VWeb Mastery course and also prop firm course to understand how I am trading prop firm accounts, what is my approach, and how I received many, many payouts from them. And we also have live trading recordings every day, mostly. And if you really want to become a professional day trader and trade with us together, we have our day trading community, and every day we are online, yeah, and trading together the US market opening. Mighty, do you sometimes use automated entries like placing an order around the VWeb, or do you place your orders manually? I place my orders manually. I'm using limit orders normally, something like this here. Yeah. Now we have day VWeb here, so I would place the order. And always here. I am using my 10 ticks, take profit and stop loss. And then placing the orders, in this case, manually. Yeah. And if the VWeb is moving, I am adjusting it here manually. We also programmed the tool to do this automatically, but you get a lot of problems with that. It's not so easy to automate this. So this is why I'm doing it manually and yeah, being patient here. So 10 more minutes to go. Apple a little bit lower here. Tesla also. Nvidia also lower. All stocks are basically opening weak. Yeah, quite boring here, yeah. Markets are not moving at all. Having a range of, yeah, 8, 9 ticks. Lenzo, oh, you saw my, very nice, you saw my speech on the world of trading, where I anchor my VWAPs. I'm using 3 base or main VWAPs. The first one is starting at the extended trading hours, that is midnight Central European time or 6 p.m. previous day Eastern Standard Time. Then the second, and I'm using the standard deviations for this VWAP. Then the second VWAP that I'm using is the London session VWAP, starting with market opening in London at 9 a.m. CET or 3 a.m. Eastern Time. And the third VWAP that I'm using is the US session VWAP, starting in 7 minutes when the markets have their regular trading hours. And then I'm anchoring VWAPs at certain levels. For example, this one here, we touched this London VWAP. Now we have a new direction. And then you have anchor points where you can add a VWAP. Or for example, when we have news releases, I mean, there are no news today, but these are major events where I add anchored VWAPs. Oh yeah, and here's still a picture. That was me Saturday on the World of Trading exhibition in Frankfurt. Wait. And also, if you're on YouTube, you can also join the Discord channel from Bookmap. We have the live stream here also, and there are no delays in writing messages. Just I'm posting the link here. I will do this later. You have to go to verification, enter your email address, and then you can post messages here on Discord, and you find a lot of valuable information regarding trading. Rezo, I plan to buy Rigetti at 24.75. What do you say about this? Rigetti, one of my favorite stocks. I am not invested right now. I sold all my shares in Rigetti. But I think price levels here, if you look on the daily chart, I mean, I took all this move here. I would be still a little bit careful. I would wait, probably, because there was a big hype around this area, yeah. I'm absolutely a fan of quantum computers, but I probably would wait here at levels like $18 or $20. Still a little bit lower. But the entry point here at this VWAP, absolutely okay. But I would not go in with 100% of your investment, maybe only by 1/3 of your quantity. Because these stocks are very volatile and maybe we are going to see still lower price levels. Also see here Rigetti in Bookmap. I mean, these stocks, they are really volatile. Yeah? So one day they can make 50, 60% up or down. Yes, Rezo, you can also buy stocks on Revolut. Yeah, and CFD is everything. So it's pretty cool app. And very easy. You can also buy them directly in the United States in US dollar. So Very easy. So 3 more minutes. Wow. Market went almost, or went to this VWAP here, and we have this pullback. Did anyone take this trade here? Very nice. Yeah, most likely not. Only 12 now. Most likely no fill. So more and more people here on YouTube. You can hit the like button if you enjoyed, and then we can start trading here in 2 minutes. Oh, Mary, CME has no updated. Yeah, finally, yeah. Markets, ES. Oh yeah, now updated here. And so, yeah, correct. This choose important high lows on news events and anchor, put the anchored VWAP there, and you will have a very good success rate. Tom Quimby, please press the like button. Yes. So let the show begin here. We still have this liquidity at 830. There's also long-term VWAP. This is an interesting level. We can see more liquidity coming up here. I'm still waiting. Adding the day or US session VWAP. Okay, I would take a trade here at US session VWAP. Short, trying to get to pullback. Okay, I'm in. Okay, and I got stopped out. Yeah, now you stop on the tick, yeah? And so next nice trading opportunity would be 58 around, yeah, London session VWAP and the VWAP from, yeah, this high. Okay, nice touch here on the US session VWAP. But for me, this is now here more or less like a range game. We have this high at 49, low at 40. Then to trade at VWAP is not suitable. Yeah, if you have questions, feel free to ask here on YouTube or Discord. Otherwise, yeah, I'm going to wait here. We are market, I think, wants to take this liquidity here at 30, where we have a long-term VWAP. We market got the liquidity at 35 and we are continuing now to 830. Okay. Yeah, what to say here? We are testing these levels at around 26, 25, 30. Maybe this is a turnaround point. We can add an anchored VWAP here. No, not. Oh, Florian got a trade here. Short, standard deviation, out. Yeah, nice, Florian. Very good. Business is done for you. Thank you, short here at the standard deviation. Yeah, very nice. Oi, 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 here. 21 is the point of control. Oh, what is this? 23. Do you see? Can you see this sweep here to the upside? Oh, out of nothing. Yeah. This, I do not like these movements, and if you're here on the wrong side and if you have a stop loss, you have a very big slippage. Yeah, it doesn't look good for the markets here. I mean, if you are below the VWAPs, probably we are going to see much lower prices later today. So next target should be here, 815 and then 800, yeah. There's no liquidity here. Oh, a big order coming in at 13.5, over 1,000 lots. Yesterday we also saw a big order with over 2,500 lots. Taking out some VWAPs. Okay, this order disappeared here at 13.75. So if we want to see a reversal, yeah, we should trade above this VWAP, but we can see the market has no strength here. And this market is difficult to trade for me personally. I do not like this sort of environment, at least for my trading style. Yeah. This is why I stay calm and I'm going to wait for my next opportunities. And if you don't trade, you cannot lose money. Yeah. Rule number one. Nordic man, nice to see you again. 6801 long. Yeah. I mean, there's liquidity and settlement prices. Yep. Definitely was a try. We can see the VWAP, this VWAP here from this high level, this area here is holding up the trend. Yeah, we can see market moving to this VWAP, pullback, touch, pullback, but also on the other side we can see that we have now higher lows. So and I believe that we might break through here. Yeah. I'm going to have a short trade at the US session VWAP, but I'm reducing my position size. Okay, I'm in. Come on, couple more ticks here, yeah. Okay, I'm out. No, not my day. Two trades. Two losses. Well, no, come on. You just kick me out by one tick again, yeah? Yeah, by one tick, yeah. Or, yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, you really make my day here. Out by one tick. This makes me angry. Yeah. This is always annoying. With one tick, yeah. This is Oh, Rizzo, you got it. Yeah, congratulations, Rizzo. You had the better trade. I got unlucky here. Yeah, nice. Rizzo short, getting out. Yeah, I'm also thinking about here. Yesterday was a very nice day. Today, nothing. Yeah, luck is not on my side. So, Viva from low, holding the market. Good. So, Rezo, Robert, one question about Apex. When I open one lots in micros and close it after a few seconds, does it count as one traded a day? I think you must, I'm not sure, there was one rule about this, that you have to do something like 50 days, $50 profit. I'm not sure. If you do this one time, okay, maybe they allow it. If you do this many times, then they could argue that you just want to skip trading days. Yeah. But I'm really not 100% sure. They want to see that you always trade the same size. Yeah? If you trade every day one or two ES mini futures and then you switch to suddenly one micro, so that is out of your consistency. Yeah, then we are almost done. So if you like to join our community, you can do this here, LIT Academy. There are a lot of lessons, video materials, how I am trading, VWeb course, prop firm course, live trading recordings. So, and daily there will be new updates on my trading or my live trading, and of course how I identify the markets with lessons of how to trade. So you can join this one. And now we are continuing in our LIT day trading community. Well, let's see if we can turn around this trading day. Okay, yeah, here now you have the rules. Yeah, then I wish you a nice weekend, and we see each other now in our community, day trading community, or we see each other next week. Same time, same place, Discord or YouTube on Bookmap. Bye.